guys, this is Dr. Kuchi, and today I'm here to give you detailed information about the food which triggers psoriasis and promote the inflammation with individuals who are suffering from psoriasis. Sharon, she personally messaged me to know about the food which triggers, or the list of the food which triggers psoriasis and the medication for psoriasis. So Sharon, it's very essential to know that everyone's triggers are different, and it may take some trials and errors to identify the specific triggers in individual. Keeping a food note or a food diary can help you track a potential correlation between the food which triggers and the psoriasis symptoms. So research suggests that there are certain foods which can trigger and accelerate the inflammation and worsen the psoriasis symptoms. So here is the list. So number 1 is red meat. Red meat, and especially the processed red meat, which contain arachidonic acids. Arachidonic acid is a polyunsaturated fat which promotes the inflammation and worsen the psoriasis symptoms. Number 2, dairy products. Dairy products, usually milk, butter, yogurt, curd, creams, and many more. These food can trigger dairy products. It contains casein. Casein is a type of a protein that can trigger inflammation and worsen the symptoms of psoriasis. Number 3 is gluten. Gluten found in wheat, barley, and rye can cause inflammation in some individuals. I have to mention that again, that the food triggers differs from individual to individual. So you guys have to keep an eye that which food triggers your symptoms, and you have to stop, or you have to be careful about that. Then we have processed food. Processed foods, as I have already said, whatever is processed, it's often contain unhealthy fats, sugar, and salts, which can trigger the psoriasis. Nightshades, number 5, nightshades. Nightshades like tomatoes, pepper, and eggplants can trigger psoriasis. Number 6, citrus fruit. While citrus fruit like oranges, lemon, are nutritious, and they can they can trigger psoriasis symptoms in some individuals. High sugar foods. Consuming high sugar foods can lead to inflammation and worsen your psoriasis. Then spicy foods. In some individuals, having spicy foods can trigger their inflammation and irritate the skin. Fried foods, they are high in unsaturated or unhealthy foods, fat, which can promote inflammation, and the individual who has psoriasis may end up with irritated skin. Food high in saturated foods like butter and coconut oil can promote inflammation in some individuals. So thank you so much, and Sharon, I hope this video you find it helpful and it helps your brother